Hello everyone. Do you want to convert your Lazada PayLater into cash? In this video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to do just that, step by step. So step number one is to sell a product on Lazada. So to do this, register a Lazada seller and list an item for sale. You could list an item that trusted buyer or your friend or family agrees to purchase from you. Step number two is your trusted buyer then uses Lazada Pay Later to purchase the item. Once the purchase is completed, Lazada will transfer the sale amount or minus fees to your bank account or e-wallet. Withdraw the funds from your account to get the cash. Method number two is to buy gift cards or vouchers. Use Lazada Pay Later to purchase gift cards or vouchers if available from Lazada. Then sell these gift cards or vouchers for cash to someone else, either online or in person. And for the last method is to purchase products and resell. Use Lazada Pay Later to buy products such as electronics or other high demand items. Resell these items on another platform, for example, Facebook Marketplace, Shopee, and etc. for cash. Then, after selling, you can collect the cash and repay Lazada Pay Later in installment. And that's how you convert your Lazada Pay Later balance into cash. Be cautious and always work with trusted people to avoid any potential risk. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!